Welcome everyone. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a new status page, and we're logged in our 200 dashboard and we're on our project's overview page. But now I'm going to click on status pages right here, and it seems that you don't have a status page yet. Create a new one, add a new status page. So we're going to add a new status page. I have to give it a name. I simply call it status page, and I have to choose a project for this status page, and I use our test project here. And if I hit public status page, it will be visible to everyone on the internet, so also for your customers, for example. And I can add a description here. So I'm going to click public status page and create new status page. Alright, as you can see, our status page is successfully created, and we have a link to our public status page right here, and you can see that we have an open log here, which indicates that this status page is public. We have the status up of our personal website. The cron job status is okay, the server monitor is also okay. Now we can write something for an incident report. I can write a private message for the developers, create a new comment, or I can create a public comment for my customers. I say public comment and I hit public comment. Now you can see there is a log, closed log on the private message here, and an open log on the log here on the public message. And here we will show the comments of the last 24 hours. So if we click on link to our status page, we will link to our status page. Now you can see we have a public status page here, and it's accessible for everyone on the internet. We show here the message, the public messages for everyone on the internet. And if we choose to make it not public again, then this status page will not be visible to anyone on the internet. So let's change status to not public. Successfully updated the status page. Now we have a log that's closed, which indicates that it's a private status page. If we hit reload on the status page, it will say not found. Alright. Now you know how to create public and private status pages.